The organizer, I'm honored to be invited to give my contribution to this interesting forum. I want to start with mentioning what Dr. Cheng Xi, founder of Harbor Overseas, wrote in the prologue of the 2023 Asian Smart City Ranking that has been presented in this conference. Divisions around the world, the reshaping of global supply chains have exacerbated the concerns on geopolitical fragmentation. A continued lack of global cooperation and understanding will increase the risk of conflict or war. Cooperation at state level, especially between countries that are under the sphere influence of China or the US, is more and more difficult. I hope that cooperation at city and regional level will help us in maintaining open channels to increase mutual understanding. Development at city level is more and more important because it is a crucial engine for growth and also for the development of services for the citizens that may guarantee a better quality of life. From the perspective of Western world and Asia, I have many experience to share, and therefore this forum is a great opportunity. I would like to share with you some points that, in my opinion, will be important for future cooperation. First, it's important that smart cities don't lose the focus on the quality of life of their citizens. Smart is often related to new technologies, 5G, 6G, quantum computing, etc. But technologies are only instruments. Technology are useful only if help in developing better services. Asia is a younger continent, not in terms of history that is spent, of course, but in terms of young people, while Europe is experiencing huge problems related to aging population. A young continent is by definition more open to new experiments. And this may benefit European cities that can exploit new things developing in Asia. At the same time, European cities can be a laboratory for new services for an older population that would be useful in a few years also for Asian cities. We may use the same technologies, but applied in different ways. Last thing, all new technologies are data-driven, and we need compatible rules for data treatment. Data are considered the new gold. The gold was very easy to exchange. Data are considered, but sharing data could be much more complicated. And we cannot pretend that we don't see that there are differences around the world on data management and data protection. I think that this kind of forum are and will be in the future a great opportunity to share experiences that will help smoothing differences and therefore making conflicts less probable. The Asia and the Group of 20 Smart City ranking may become in the future not only a ranking, but also an opportunity to share knowledge and experiences. Thank you.